Hi, welcome to Skanda Happy Learning. Now let us discuss the important topic formation of urine. How the urine is formation. How many stages are involved in the process of formation. Let us discuss. So in formation of urine, the four main stages are involved in the formation of urine. One is glomerular filtration. Second one, tubular reabsorption. The third one, tubular secretion. And fourth one, formation of concentrated urine. So these four stages we can see in the formation of urine. Let us see first one, glomerular filtration. What is glomerular filtration? Okay, let us discuss. So if you observe the structure of the nephron it has one artery, it has a renal artery. This renal artery, it carry oxygenated blood along with some wastages. When the blood it passes along with the renal artery, this renal artery it has a number of branches. So from the branches, the blood which is enter into the afferent arteriole. These afferent arteriole, it form a the bunch of fine the blood capillaries, we call it as glomerulus. So now the blood is in the glomerulus, in which the process of filtration due to the pressure exerted by the efferent arteriole. How the pressure exerted in the glomerulus due to the efferent arteriole? Because of the efferent arteriole, it has a less diameter. Due to the less diameter, it exerts pressure in the glomerulus. Due to that pressure, the filtration takes place. Once if the filtration takes place, so these Bowman's capsule, it has the tiny cells called podocyte cells. Between the podocytes, some holes are present. Through the holes, the substance which is enter into through the holes, the urine, the liquid part which is enter into the Bowman's capsules. We call the liquid part primary urine. Primary urine. So the primary urine, it is exactly similar to the blood. That is nothing but equal to the blood. So what are the substances are present in the blood? Same substances are present in the primary urine, but except RBC, WBC, platelets. So RBC, WBC platelets are absent in the primary urine. Those are present in the blood cells. But remaining substances are same as it is in the blood as well as in the primary urine. Okay. The next, from the Bowman's capsule, the primary urine, it is passes through the PCT. When the primary urine passes through the PCT, so around the renal tubules, there are fine blood capillaries called peritubular capillaries. These peritubular capillaries are surrounded by renal tubules. See here, the primary urine now present in the PCT. What will happen here? Here, the materials are reabsorption. So already I told you, the primary urine, it consists a lot of useful substance. Even after filtration, still it consists useful substance. These useful substances must and should reabsorbed into the body. But where is the process reabsorption takes place? The reabsorption process takes place in the PCT region. But what materials are reabsorption? So here, the materials like glucose, amino acid, vitamin C, potassium, sodium and chlorides. Then 75% of water are reabsorbed into the peritubular capillaries. What materials are reabsorbed into the peritubular capillaries? From the PCT, it reabsorbed, it is entered into the peritubular capillaries. The materials like glucose, amino acid, vitamin C, potassium, sodium, chlorides, and nearly 75% of water are reabsorbed into the peritubular capillaries from the PCT. Then next, from the PCT, the liquid part, nothing but urine, it is passed through the loop of Henle. When it is passes through the loop of Henle, again 10% of water filtered out through the process called osmosis. Then next, from the loop of Henle, again it is goes to DCT. Then what will happen here DCT? Secretion takes place. Here the reabsorption takes place, but in the DCT region, peritubular capillaries to DCT. What materials are secreted into the DCT from the peritubular capillaries? The materials like urea, uric acid and creatinine. Excess salts like potassium, sodium and hydrogen. These materials are secreted into DCT from the peritubular capillaries. The materials are secreted into the DCT. Due to this secretion, the materials are the maintenance of the concentration and pH of the urine. So from the DCT, the urine it goes to collecting tube. So in which the urine becomes further concentration. When the urine becomes concentration, the hormone called vasopressin is secreted to send outside from the body. So vasopressin hormone just release only when the urine becomes a concentration. If you take more amount of water, if you take more coconut water or liquid juices, at that time the vasopressin hormone is not secreted. This vasopressin hormone, it is helpful to regulate the water level, regulate the amount of water in the body. That is the major function of the vasopressin hormone. So due to the deficiency of vasopressin hormone, it causes a repeated urine, the next excess amount of urine, diluted urine. Due to the deficiency of vasopressin hormone, it causes repeated urine, excess amount of urine, diluted urine. The condition is called diabetes insipidus. Okay. Then next, from the collecting tube, the urine goes to pelvis. From the pelvis, it goes to ureter, ureter to urinary bladder to urethra. Through the urethra, it goes outside. So once again, the formation of urine, it involves in the 4 stages. One is glomerular filtration, second one tubular reabsorption, then third one tubular secretion, and fourth one formation of concentrated urine. First one, glomerular filtration. How the urine enter into, let us discuss. So renal artery, it carry oxygenated blood along with wastages in which, so here it passes through the renal afferent arteriole, then enter into the glomerulus, in which the process of filtration takes place. Then primary urine, it entered into the Bowman's capsule, that is equals to the blood. Then it goes to PCT, in which what will happen in the PCT region? The materials are reabsorbed into the peritubular capillaries. What materials? Glucose, amino acid, vitamin C, potassium, sodium, chlorides, and 75% of water reabsorbed into the peritubular capillaries. From the PCT, again it goes to loop of Henle. Here what will happen? 10% of water passes out, okay, through the process called osmosis. Then next again it passes through the loop of Henle to DCT, in which what will happen? Here the materials are secreted into the DCT from the peritubular capillaries. What materials are secreted? Urea, uric acid, creatinine, and excess salts like potassium, sodium, hydrogen. These materials are secreted, in which the urine becomes concentrated. Then next, from the DCT, it goes to collecting tube. Here is the urine, further it becomes concentrated. To pass the concentrated urine, the vasopressin hormone are released. Then next, so it passes through the pelvis to ureter, ureter to urinary bladder to urethra, and through the urethra it goes outside. Okay. Due to the deficiency of vasopressin hormone, it causes repeated urine, diluted urine, excess amount of urine. The condition is called diabetes insipidus. So thank you. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.